Stop watching your precious Instagram accounts get banned before they even start. JarveePro's Instagram Home Warm-Up campaign is your ultimate ticket to longevity. It turns fresh, risky accounts into established, high-authority assets ready to dominate the platform. Go to JarveePro campaigns. Go with Instagram campaigns. Configuration is streamlined for speed. Choose your accounts and then decide how long they should browse. The most powerful tool here is the customizable like chances. By setting a random chance to like, say, 20% of posts, you create a unique, unpredictable engagement pattern that security bots simply cannot detect. Let's start the campaign. The secret difference between a super affiliate making thousands and someone who just loses accounts is the warm-up. Stop wasting time manually warming up dozens of accounts. Let JarveePro handle the heavy lifting while you focus on counting the profits. Check the link below, get JarveePro, and start seeing some real interactions on Instagram marketing.